Hi, welcome back to Seeking Healthy. We're here with Darcy Doggett from Smart Integrative Massage Group in Montclair, New Jersey.
She actually did a procedure on half my face. So we think you can tell the difference. It's called vacuum therapy. So she gave me
a little anti-aging treatment.
It's like a mini, very light massage to the face. So if you're thinking about Botox or anything like that, I think I'd go with this first, definitely.
Yeah. A really good non-invasive way. You get Botox only every few months, right? This is something that we can do once a week, once a month, find a regular routine that works for you. Some at-home things that we can teach you as well and fight some of those fine lines and wrinkles.
But you were saying also that you've used this therapy for other health benefits.
Absolutely. You know, the vacuum therapy machine with the variety of cups that we have can be used for a lot of different things. In particular, I do a lot of work with breast cancer patients and women post-mastectomy work. In fact, I had a client within the past few months who was 10 years out from her surgery and was still having a lot of pain in her shoulder area. And we combined certain vacuum therapy techniques along with other types of massage and post-mastectomy manual techniques, and we're able to decrease the pain as well as give her a little bit greater range of motion in the area. So that's another place that we can use it. We also have protocol that we can use in the abdomen. So if you have a sluggish digestive system and the colon is running a little bit sluggish, we can do some particular techniques around the digestive tract, pre and post surgery, all types of surgery.
Wow.
So not only, as we were talking about when we were on the table, doing facelifts and other types of plastic surgery, but even orthopedic surgeries, joint replacements, things like that can help stimulate the lymphatic flow, which will help speed the healing process.
So this can be used for so many different things and so many people can benefit.
Absolutely. Yeah, exactly. And there's a lot of different types of techniques that can be used, and this is just one technique that I have in my toolbox that I incorporate with all the other types of training that I've had. So Smart Integrative Massage Group is the name of the business, and SMART stands for Sports, Medical, and Restorative Therapies. So we really focus basically on the sports and the medical. So sports, it could be somebody who's training for their first 5K or their first marathon. I'm a cyclist. I work with a lot of cyclists. I work with a lot of CrossFit participants who often get hurt and push themselves too hard in CrossFit. We can do a lot of different things with that. We can help with sports injury recovery as well. I have cyclists crash on their bike. We can do certain techniques that can help with the healing of that. And then from the medical side, that could be anything. We're working with somebody that's going through cancer treatment, working with somebody who has Parkinson's, MS, geriatric clients, prenatal clients. So we really specialize in a lot of that. Pain management, anything that you might go see a doctor for, there's probably some sort of massage and body work that can be used to help relieve that and support yourself. So I call it integrative because I do believe that it combines well with conventional medicine. Right. And I do have a lot of doctors that refer clients to our office.
On your website, I know you go into detail with all of these things, and so if anybody, wanted to get more information, your website is
smartmassagegroup.com.
Okay.
Yeah, and there's a ton of information on the website, and that's really the first place to go to look and see the types of trainings that we've had, the types of techniques and conditions that we work with. And we also have online scheduling on the website.
Oh, that's really
awesome.
good.
Yeah, so it's very easy. I have people that will 4 o'clock in the morning when they can't sleep will get online and they'll schedule an appointment for the next morning if they find an opening. So I don't like to necessarily talk about the benefits of massage as much as I like to talk about the outcomes that we can have and the different types of people that I can work with. So I can work with somebody who has just been diagnosed with breast cancer, and we'll work through the entire process.
Right.
I also do hospice work. So sometimes my clients get better, sometimes they don't. And I'm there with them through their end of life. Though it's a difficult thing, it's such an honor for me to be allowed to be a part of that journey with them. And that's some of probably the most rewarding work. It's that positive, comforting type of touch that somebody who is very sick or going through a lot of treatment is not getting.
Right.
A lot of time their caregivers are afraid. They're afraid, so I'll try and work with the caregivers as well, to try and teach them, you know, what they can do and shouldn't do, and that sort of thing. I've done training at Memorial Sloan Kettering for cancer work. I also took classes at Mount Sinai in New York at the medical school there for working with medically compromised patients as well. So I have a lot of experience in those areas, and working with the elderly as well, who is another population that really needs touch. And I go often down to a retirement community to do some chair massage, and it's where they are lined up around the block.
Yeah.
And I'm afraid they're gonna like put their walkers in front of the door and not let me leave, because they're so happy to even just 5 or 10 minutes of some positive touch and some relaxing massage.
That is wonderful.
Yeah. Touch is the first thing, right? When you fall down and scrape your knee, what do?
Right.
You
going back to
touch it, you rub it, you try it, you know, so it's just innate in us, and that's, I think, why it's so important that massage and body work really be looked as a healing and wellness modality.
Right.
Well, I didn't realize how therapeutic massage can be.
Absolutely, and I just have a lot of people that come to see me that we live in northern New Jersey. There's a lot of stress in this area, and we know that stress can lead to inflammation, can lead to chronic disease. And I have a lot of people with high-profile jobs. They work on Wall Street, they work in the entertainment industry, and it is a very stressful life out there. They're dealing with commuting or the train or whatever, carrying giant bags and backpacks with them all the time. And just taking that hour or hour and a half for themselves once a week or once a month, where they can be quiet, shut down, have the nice relaxing music, the dimly lit room, and just try and relax. And sometimes we talk about yoga and meditation and other things that they can do to help support a healthy lifestyle. And all those things are just part of your wellness package.
I know sometimes we think of ourselves last, busy doing this, doing that, and we all really need to take time for self-care. Thank you so much for taking all this time and all the really great information too that anybody would benefit from. It will certainly direct everybody to your website.
Thank you so much, you guys. It was wonderful.